Hi, this is Absolut Drinks. I'm Rico, and today we're gonna make a Pornstar Martini. This is a Douglas Anchor drink coming from 1999 at the Lab in London. It's actually one of the most popular drinks in the UK right now. It's got a very controversial name. It is the Pornstar Martini. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna need a slice of pineapple. So let me show you. Easy way, don't throw this away. Put this into compost. Just take the slice that you need. Take away those edges. We're gonna be muddling this drink, so the core can be quite difficult to muddle just because it's so tough. So we're gonna keep that to one side for something later on. I'm not an expert chef, so my chopping skills ain't the greatest. But it doesn't matter, because we're gonna take the muddler and smash this up. What you want to do there is you want to be smashing up the whole pineapple, releasing all the juices. You're also going to get that complex protein, which is going to give it some body. We've got some passion fruit puree. We want to go about 23 to 25 mils. Some vanilla syrup, 15 mil. And then we want 45 mils of the Absolut Vanilla Vodka. Now we're gonna give this a shake. I hate it when that happens. Everything's stuck together. It's all good though, guys. We're gonna give this a nice, powerful shake because we wanna get a good, creamy consistency, which you're gonna get with that fresh pineapple juice. Ooh, looks good. We're gonna take our martini glass. Now you see, it's gonna take a little bit of a while just to get all this drink out. That's because the fresh pineapple kind of acts like a filter to all those fibers in there. And then 2 garnishes, 1/2 of a fresh passion fruit. We gotta make this real Pornstar. My hands are slippy. There we go. That's not how you open champagne, by the way. Right to the top. Pornstar Martini, the UK's #1 cocktail. Definitely makes you feel naughty. It's good. Beautiful.